Rivers and streams can be the easiest way to navigate in unfamiliar terrain, especially if you can't see the horizon or you have really dense bush like we see in this video here. That would be just hard to walk through, and sometimes you can't just walk along the banks because here you've got that red clay mud that would be hard to walk in. So if you can make some sort of flotation device, if it's a time of year where you can stay dry so you don't get hypothermic, that's the easiest way to navigate rough terrain or terrain where you can't get a bearing, because you're going to get the flow of the water, and in the northern hemisphere it's going to flow from the north to the south in that general direction. So you could be going from northwest to southeast, but at least you know you're going to make fairly good time on the river. If you're in the southern hemisphere, it's going to go from south to north, but that doesn't mean it couldn't be going from the southeast to northwest, but they're going to flow towards the equator. But it can be the easiest way to navigate, especially if you don't have a bearing. And the advantage of going down a river is normally they're going to lead to civilization, so you're going to encounter people at some point in time. It's just a matter of making a method to float down the river, and but it's much easier than going through dense wooded bush.